Thank you for watching TENGU Japanese for Beginners 天狗日本語講座天狗日本語講座をご覧いただきありがとうございます。Today, I am going to teach you how to say goodbye in Japanese 日本語で goodbye をどのようにして言うかお伝えします。And bye or bye bye in Japanese How do we say that in Japanese? Okay, let's start learning Japanese.Okay, first of all, goodbye. A very polite way we say sayonara, sayonara, sayonara. Okay? Or you can say sayonara, sayonara, sayonara. We omit u between yo and na. Sayonara. You can also say sayonara, add u between yo and na. Sayonara or sayonara.Whichever you can use that. Okay, sayonara, you might have heard that sayonara is the most formal way to say goodbye in Japanese. It implies a sense of finality, so it is often used when you don't expect to see the person again for a long time. Okay? And in Japanese, goodbye can be expressed in several ways depending on the level of formality and the context. またねまたねまたね It means like more bye in Japanese またねまたね Or we can say じゃあねじゃあねじゃあねじゃあね or またね are informal ways to say bye or see you. They are commonly used among friends and means see you later. Okay? Or we can say じゃあなJana, Jana. Jana is also informal ways to say bye in Japanese, but girls or women don't use Jana. Boys, especially boys use Jana to say bye among friends. Okay? Jana, Jana, like this. Okay? Now, goodbye in Japanese, we can also say お疲れ、お疲れ or お疲れ様でした。お疲れ様でした。お疲れ様でした。Now, お疲れ or お疲れ様でした are often used in work setting when saying goodbye to colleagues. It literally means you must be tired acknowledging their hard work. So, you don't say that to your friends or like your family, or children. You say to workmates.Okay? お疲れ or お疲れ様でした。Okay? Now, bye bye, we can say bye bye. Bye bye. It's more like just like bye bye in English, but we pronounce it bye bye. Bye bye, not bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Or それじゃそれじゃそれじゃ Or we can actually add またね after それじゃそれじゃまたねそれじゃあまたね It means the same, but you can say それじゃ or それじゃあまたね Okay, whichever. Or you can say あばよ but this is really old way of saying goodbye or bye in Japanese, so we don't really use that, but you can say if you want bye bye or それじゃあばよ casual and friendly way to say bye bye, often used among close friends or with children.Okay? Now, there are different ways to say goodbye in Japanese depending on which state you go. And, well, it's like a Japanese slang of saying goodbye in Japanese. So, if you go to Osaka, you say Sayonara, Sayonara, Sayonara. Tokyo people don't say that. Okay? But if you go to Osaka, they say Sayonara, Sayonara. Or, Hona, Sayonara. Hona, sayonara. Hona, sayonara. Okay? So, depends on which state you go, you say different ways of saying goodbye. But if you just say sayonara or sayonara, wherever you go in Japan, they understand what it means. Okay? Alright, that's it for today's Japanese lesson. Now, before you go, please subscribe TENGU Japanese email newsletter and get free Japanese lesson, textbook, audio files, You can also watch the free Japanese video lesson to learn how to speak Japanese for real communication. I'll put the link in the description box on YouTube or click the link below. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time. それではまた。さようなら。